Hello everyone, welcome back to the Tenorshare channel. If you need to disable Find My on your iPhone, but the option is unavailable in settings, this can be really frustrating. Today, we're going to show you how to disable Find My on an iPhone when the option isn't available, including a quick check for common restrictions and a step-by-step guide using Tenorshare for UK to remove the limitation. Before we move to the main solution, there are two quick things you can check. First, screen time restrictions may block account changes. If content and privacy restrictions are enabled and account changes is set to Don't Allow, iOS won't let you modify Find My settings. Second, stolen device protection can also prevent security changes. If it's enabled in Face ID and Passcode, you may need to turn it off first. If these checks don't fix the problem, you can use For UK to disable Find My. Tenorshare for UK allows you to remove Apple ID restrictions and disable Find My when the option can't be changed directly from the iPhone settings. Start by downloading and installing Tenorshare for UK on your computer. Then connect your iPhone to your computer. Launch the program and choose the Disable Find My option from the main interface. Then follow the instructions to operate your iPhone. Make sure your iPhone has a screen lock passcode set up. Then tap Settings, scroll to the bottom, tap Apps, and find Safari. Scroll to the bottom, select Advanced, and then enable the Web Inspector option. Once done, return to the home screen, open Safari, and go to iCloud.com. Next, click Start Remove on For UK. Then sign in to iCloud with your Apple ID. After everything is ready, For UK will begin disabling Find My on your device. This process may take a few minutes. During this time, keep your iPhone connected and avoid interrupting the operation. Once the process is complete, the Find My feature will be disabled. You can copy the IMEI and then click Check Status. On the page that opens, you can verify whether the Find My feature has been disabled. That's how you can disable Find My on an iPhone when the option is unavailable in settings. If this guide helped you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the Tenorshare channel for more iPhone unlocking tips and Apple device solutions. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.